Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to extend your battery life on your iPhone. So sometimes our battery phone is kind of like runs so fast, so how to prevent that happen? So actually the cause of our battery run so fast is because of the application background refresh, as well as the our iPhone is sending the locations information. Those two is one of the causes why our batteries run so fast. So how to fix it? You just need to go into the settings, and after that just scrolling down until you found a general, and after that you can just go into the background app refresh and make sure that your background app refresh is in off mode, so that your battery or your phone is not gonna like doing the background app refresh, so you can like extend the life of your battery. Okay, that's the first way. And what about the second way? The second way, we just need to go into the privacy settings. We just need to go back, and after that go into the privacy, and security over here, and after that go into the location services. Make sure that you turn off the location services on your phone. You can just go click upon the share my locations, you can just need to scrolling down, and after that go into the system services, and I'll turn off every single part here except the emergency call, and as well as the find my iPhone. And for the rest of it, you can like turn off to extend your battery life. Turn off. Okay, right there. And now you also need to like turn off the product improvement. Make sure that it's off, so that your battery life will be got extended. So that's all, is one of the way to make or to add the extra life for your battery. If you found it this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.